And welcome to the practical section. So we already completed the arithmetic operations, and in this we are going to complete everything. And now the operator file is ready, and we will begin with the assignment operator. Let's create PHP, and now let's create the variables. And now first we will check the first one, that is x equals to y echo, and we will check x equals to y. So you can check 20. Alright, so to check it we are going to use var dump, or it will tell any other result. So let's check using var dump, and let's check var dump equals to y, save it, and it's tell int. Yeah, it's int, and it's 20. Okay, so why it's telling 20? So it's telling us 20 because the equals to means which is the lowest value in this. Okay, so it's telling 20 because 20 is the lowest value, that is y and y. Okay, and it's an int, so var shows int. Alright, let's check another one, that is with the echo. Alright, so as you know, in the theory part we have created this. So what this mean, and let's check 120, why 120? Because x is equals to x plus y. Okay, as I told you, so x plus y equals to 100 plus 120, that 100 plus 20, that is 120. Okay, let's create the negative section and save the file, refresh the file, and it is 80. Okay, so why it's 80? Because 100 minus 20 is always 80. So how this is working, so to understand this, let's show you that it's work like x equals to x minus y. Okay, this means that x equals to x minus y. Okay, just clear this. If you don't get clear, then watch the video again and again, and you will be clear. And also use it in practical section, do the practical, and it will be clear and very simple. So it's just get clear. Now I will use the next one, that is Asterix. Okay, let's check, and let's guess let's guess what will be the result. So I think 100 into 20, that is 2000 will be the result. Let's check, am I right or I am right? So you can check I am right. And then the another one like this, we are going to use every single operators and everything. Okay, see this, it's saying 0. Okay, so we already know the modulus will be 0. So let's go to the next operator, that is comparison operators. So let's compare this and this. So the first one is equals to, so x equals to y, so there will be no result. Why? Because it's normally used in false if or else. So let's create the var dump here, and inside var dump we are going to use this function, paste it, and it will tell false. Why it's telling false? Just see this, is x equals to means equals to y, is x equals to y, it's asking. So you can see x value is 100 and the y value is 20, so it's not equals, so it will tell false. And if I want should be true, then just change the value of y and check it. I'm right, that's true. Alright, let's check the another example. Equals to equals to equals to. Alright, triple equals to, and check it's false. So why it's false? Because here the 100 is not equals to 20. Alright, let's check will it will be true or false. So it's a true. Alright, everything getting clear? Let's check the another one, is not equals to. Okay, so using this operator, it tells is x not equals to y. So we all know the x value is 100 and the y value is 20, so basically it's not equals to 100 is not equals to 20. Okay, so when 100 is not equals to 20, then it will tell true. Yeah, you are right, that's true. Now the first one we understand, not equals to, and now the second one, this is also not equals to, that's why the result is true. Okay, and like that we are going to use not equals to twice, and just save it and just refresh it. Not equals to yeah, it's not equals to, so it's telling the false. And if I just replace 20 with 100, then it will be a false. Alright, why it's a false? Because this time 100 equals to 100, we all know 100 equals to 100 and 100 is not equals to 20, so just it's a game of true and false, and easy to understand you also what is a true and what is false. So let's check, is x is greater than y or not. So first let's check, ask your brain, is x is greater than y? So the x value is 100 and the y value is 20. So according to my brain, x is greater than y. Yeah, and it's always greater than y. So let's save it and refresh it, and the result is true. Okay, so let's change it and check another one, and it's false. We all know it's not greater than y, so 100 is not actually 100 is greater, so 20 is less than always. Okay, so let's check the another one, that is greater than equals to. Okay, so greater than equals to y or not? So yeah, it's greater than but not equals to. Alright, the second one is less than equals to y or not. So just save it and refresh it, and the result is false. It is less than and equals to. Okay, so Let's do the last in comparison operator, that is less than equals to greater than. Let's check the result, that is 1. Okay, so here we use the integer, we all know we have used the integer value, and less than equals to greater than is a 1 because yeah, it's less than the 100 and greater than 20, right? So its result is 1. Okay, and now let's go with the another one, that is increment or decrement operator. So let's start it. Echo. Okay, here no use of y, so we are removing y plus plus x. Okay, let's check the result, and the result is 101. Why 101? Because I told you this is a pre-increment. Okay, so what after 100? It's 101. Okay, so plus plus means 100 plus 1 is 101. That's great. And now let's understand, if the plus is after the variable, then what will the result? Its result is 100, because it's not increment here, it's a post increment. Okay, so that's the difference between pre and post. And now we are going to use the negative, that is minus minus. Let's guess the answer, that is, so from my opinion it's 99, and the result is 99 because it's decrement, and the 100 minus 1 is always 99. So if we change the minus here, the result is 100. That's great. Now it's time for logical operator. So let's again create y. Alright, and now echo x and y. First operator is x and operator. Save the file, test it. Let's say 1. Yeah, it will be 1. Okay, then if we change the operator and to or, then it says 1. Okay, let's use the var dump to understand more deeply. Var dump x and y. Let's check it, and it's still in boolean form. Okay, so x and y, so it's a true, yeah, that's why it's telling 1. 1 means true, we all know 1 means true, and 0 means false. Right? So if we just use or this or that like this, then it's also a true, yeah. And if, and the third one is XOR, just refresh it and it is false. Okay, so getting cleared every single operators, and like this we are going to use another and save the file, run. It's true because x and y like this. Okay, so again not equals to, again we are going to use not equals to, so x not equals to y, and it's true, yeah, it's not equals to y, and the last one x is undefined, like this. Okay, sorry, like this, x. Okay, and it's false. All right, now it's time for the last one, that is string operator. So for the string operator, we are going to use the string because it's tailed string. Right, so we are going to use the text 1 equals to welcome semicolon to close, and the text 2, sorry, it's text 2, and I'm using here students. Alright, everything getting clear, and now I will use the operator in echo format, that is txt1 dot txt2, and the result is welcome student. Okay, let's get some space here. Okay, you understand welcome students. This is a operator. There is a use of dot. It's just connect the two strings like this. Okay, it's working fine. Now the second one, that is txt1 dot equals to txt2, right? Refresh it and the same result. So now you just understand that txt1 is equals to txt1 plus txt2. So this is clear that this means this, and now it's time